Hello my dear student, welcome back to our class. So in previous class I have discussed that is syllabus of the your subject that is called the retail management. Okay, so in this class I am going to start the first chapter of that is retail management, that is a introduction to the retail management. Here retailing is not a recent development, it is as old as a human civilization and it is ranked first among the top 30 emerging markets in the world. So whatever 30 emerging markets in the world will be there, of that 30 emerging market, it is ranked first among these, that is emerging markets. So retailing is concerning about that is it incomes and it improves that standard of living of the people. So it increases the whatever income and standard of living of the people, and also it provides, it is having that 6 to 7% of the total employment opportunities which is provided by these sectors only, that is called as the retailing sector. And another one is there, this retailing sector or retail is a last stage in the distribution of goods and services to the final consumers. So when we are concerning about that channels of distribution system, the last person is called as the retailer anta karite. So ee person enantana, that is a chain of distribution atandaga alli channels of distribution alli last person yaru ondu goods na distribute martare andre final consumers ge ee person is called as the retailer only. Under the retail, what will do, he buys in a bulk from the wholesaler or manufacturer and breaks that bulk into the small lots or a number to match the need of its customers. So whatever the needs of the customer will be there, that is satisfied by that is retailer only, and this retailer buys a goods or the quantity or the quality of goods in a bulk from the manufacturer or by the wholesaler, and that goods are breaks into the small lots. Small lot nalli ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, in small quantities he is selling the goods and services to the final consumers. And next one is there, how this retail sector is growing in a different areas. Here under it is expanded and it is developing in the some of the, that is cities, they are called as the metro cities anta karitevi, like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore. So other than these cities, the retail sector are also playing an important role and also which will be helpful for the economic growth and development of the country. Okay, and next one is there are some major players under the retail industry, they are called as the like Big Bazaar, MTR Foods, Walmart stores and Reliance Retail Limited. So these are the some of the major players who are contributing and also providing the employment opportunities and thereby increasing the income and standard of living of the people. So these are called as some of the major players of the retail industry, and these retail industries are developing in some of the metro cities, and other than these cities also that there are some retail industries are developing day by day. Okay, and next concept is, this is called some of the picture. On these pictures we can easily understand what activities are undertaking under this retailing. So retailing is nothing but it includes all the consumers will be there, shopping will be there. There is a crazy hobby of the some of the youngsters. So nowadays youngsters are, that is making that is shopping. So day by day every second youngsters ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಒಂದು ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ. Next thing, products. So products are also purchasing by the some of the consumers and selling the goods and services either by shop or the retail stores or the mercantile basis, and also they can purchase the goods and services from the wholesaler for the purpose of consumption anta karite, for the purpose of consuming that goods and services. So these are the some of the activities which are undertaking under that is retailing sector. Okay, and next concept is meaning of the retail management. So what do you mean by retail management? Retail management is nothing but the application of the that principle and the functions of the management in delivery of goods to the ultimate consumer is called the retail management. So retail management andre ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ application of principles and that is functions of the management. So whatever the principles and the functions of the management will be there, that functions and principles will be implemented in the field of that is the delivery of goods to the ultimate consumers. So ಒಂದು ನಾವು ultimate consumer final consumers ಯಾರಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ goods ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ರೀ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಲೈಕ್ principles and the functions. So what are the principles and functions will be there? That principles and also the functions of the management that is to be implemented in the field of that is distribution of goods and services to the ultimate consumers. And next one is there, in other words it is an organized method. ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಟ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಲೈಟ್. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡೋಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಲೈಟ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ goods to the that ultimate consumers that should be comfort and delight in the light of the consumers only. So retail management and ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ application of management functions and the principles in the field of that is a retailing, and it is one of the organized method in the distribution of goods and services. Okay, and next concept is meaning of the retailing. Here, what do you mean by retailing? Retailing is nothing but the selling goods and services to the final consumers. So, retailing is the last stage or the last person involved under that is the channels of distribution who is providing that goods and services to the final consumers. So, final consumers ಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ goods and services ನ sell ಮಾಡಾತೀವಿ. So, that is called the retailing ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay, and in next class or the next video I will discuss the next concept of that is retail management. Okay, thank you.